Yazi, there's this guy trending right now, but see in Indlondlo Yamanzi. Uhamba ngene emanzini. Uyayibona mos angene laphayana aphuma angena aphume. So ngitshele what's different kuye naye? Yabo, what's the difference?
Mhlampe na uyi artist ehamba yoshoot emanzini and then isipostele ku Facebook. So abanye abantu that's why izangoma zamanje nithi ziweak. Kuthiwa abantu aba wrong abangazona izinyanga but bekumele balapheke ngokomoya. Plus our church was known as lento le ukuthi bathini sima-satanist.
Kuphi lapha ka Moses?
Yes.
Okay.
We were known as that. But hayi laba ma-satanist ayikho into and for the calling yami ukuze phakame kangaka it took my parents ukuthi bake bashone kancane. They were taken away from me. That's when ngazi understand kahle ukuthi okay. Nayi ke calling yami manje sebhekene nami ngo akasekho ngilawulayo. Isithembu ngisengakasithathi.
Yes.
That's number one.
Okay.
But I am in an open relationship. So angeke ngithi ngiyacheata kule two, but angilobolanga ngokwesintu ukuze ngithi sesithenjini sami.
Okay. Okay.
They do know each other sisters ukuthi okay mina nozibani siphila nomuntu okanje, but angibalobolanga for ukuthi ngababiza ngabafazi bami basesithenjini. So it's just an open relationship.
What up YouTube, this is your boy Usmazi. Rooftop siyabona ukuthi ubani ubhizi nobani kanti umuntu kabani. Today we are busy nana indoda la engihleli nayo of which uzoyi-introduce yena. Today bafethu we just have a sit down video abaningi abazaziyo lezi zinto bathi yini ama podcast. You understand? So bafethu today ngiphethe insizwa. I don't know how to introduce you my dog, you understand? I don't know how to introduce you, so ngifuna ukuthi wena uyi-introduce ebantwini ubachazele ukuthi ubani.
Ndoda, I don't know how to introduce you. Yazi inkinga enokuyithola kuphi?
Yeah.
Hlangane nomuntu akubuza ukuthi ngithi Thokoza ulithi Makhosi or kanjani?
Yeah.
But at the end of the day sonke sibantu so singasho ukuthi sanibonana.
Hey.
So kuba bonke abogogo sizothi Thokoza futhi
nakhona. Yes.
Kuya ngokuthi ubani, but at the end of the day usawubona into esiyisebenzisayo.
Okay.
So mina ngingumkhulu Mashesha.
Yes.
Cishe abantu abaningi bangazi kanjalo. Igama lami straight ngUndlandla.
Yes. Yes.
So yeah.
So I want us to take it back njayami since usho ukuthi igama lakho uNhlanhla. I know you as uNhlanhla. I know you as rapper since way back high school. Yabo izinto ezinjalo.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's when mina as a person I was introduced to you, but abantu ababukelayo they don't know who is uNhlanhla, how did uNhlanhla grew up until uNhlanhla abe huye ubani Mkhulu Mashesha bafethu. Anyways ulithola kanjani le gama elithi Mkhulu Mashesha?
Hey, umbuzo wakho.
Sure.
Now mawuyinyanga uhamba nabantu.
Yes.
So mawungena ephehlweni makuthiwa uyothwasa manje ke wena soboniwa ukuthi unedlozi, right?
Yes.
Uzongena ephehlweni kune process abayibiza ukugajeka umuntu.
Okay.
Kule process yokugajeka is whereby ngathini siletha idlozi ukuthi lizikhulumele ukuthi lona lobani.
Okay.
So mina ngathi mangigwajeka le ndoda iyaphuma lapha yasho ukuthi mina ngumashesha insizwa kaDuku.
Ay bafethu, hold on to that thought. Niyezwa bafethu, we are still going to go deeper in this episode. Sazi ukuthi how did he end up in this situation akiyo right now? It's not even a situation, you understand? How did he end up as Mkhulu Mashesha? Sakayichazile. So ntwana yami, let's take it back. Ungitshele mfethu, uNhlanhla ubani? uNhlanhla ukhule njani endlini? How did you notice igift yakho onayo namhlanje? Awucocela abantu nje yami, cocela abantu kwenzakalani? Sure.
uNhlanhla ne.
Sure.
Nhlanhla has always been that curious kid.
Yeah.
Umntwana curious, cool smart. Bantu babathu smart uNhlanhla, that's one thing I
sure.
always got ngoNhlanhla.
Yes.
But uNhlanhla smart. Being curious. Bengilomuntu othanda ukwazi izinto. Plus I've always believed in the supernatural. Ukubheka ama-track and poles to me wasn't just watching abopopayi, but I always believed ukuthi man, these things are possible.
Oh yeah.
So not noticing that curiosity is actually my calling.
Okay.
Exactly. So ngithi mangikhula la life yabo izinto ziyenzeka man. Izinto ziyenzeka. Impilo izokucoca ikubuyisele like ufuna khona. The more ngikhula ngiyenza lama research on nazo zonke lezi zinto bengizenza trying to find out because I'm always curious angisho.
Yes.
Ngisole ngikule level yokuthi there's something about me man. That makes me different from the rest of
the people out there. Yes.
Ngenza ngihluke kubo bonke abantu. So I wanted to know kahle hle kuyini lo.
So when you first noticed ngalento lena, was it something that came to you say primary school or maybe high school or maybe soqedile umatric? kwenzakale kanjani? When did you start noticing ukuthi hey son, I have a gift? Sure.
Starting to realize that mina namajita njengoba ngisho school esingabantu aba curious.
Sure.
There was a time whereby we decided to ukuthi guys asike sizicoce and do something positive ngempilo yethu.
Yes.
We gathered in a home cell somewhere.
Yes.
Indlondlo besihlala kuyo lapha sifunda iBhayibheli. Just us.
Yes.
Mina nama gang. Sifunda iBhayibheli. In that process we used to pray. But
Okay.
when we pray, izinto bezenzeka amasandazo. That was interesting.
Okay.
There's something we call umoya engcwele.
Sure.
It would come to that place and then we'd be washed and then we'd be baptized ngalowo moya kuleso sikhathi.
Okay.
So lento leyo mase siyibona yenzeka kithi, we wanted to know ukuthi what is it and how does it work?
Yes.
Only to find out ukuthi it operates at church. Luckily salithola isonto elasifundisa ukuthi kahle hle singobani.
Okay. So you started noticing ukuthi hey, there's something happening here when you started moving nesonto, praying nabafethu, having those times la nihlangana khona nithi no sihlangane nge the word of
The
God.
word of God.
Sure.
Qale net lapho ngihlale ngisho lithi iBhayibheli in the beginning there was God.
Yes.
God was my beginning.
Okay.
Yafika noNkulunkulu lento. So having to grow kuyo, we met a prophet. Wasifundisa lezi zinto besisifunde eBhayibhelini that people can prophesy, people can deliver, people uthandazele abantu bawe, those things.
Yes.
Yes.
So
those are those things.
So those things are real, like real.
I'm
They are
telling
not
you.
staged ukuthi manje eksele umuntu sihlanganile before ngamtshela ukuthi hey wena ngizokuphakamisa la ngithi hey you are using MTN uthi yes papa ngithi sha yebo ngambhadara phela vele yabo behind the scenes.
I always told myself ukuthi because labafundisi laba they are well known as ukuthi abantu abanezinyoka.
Yeah.
Badume ngokuthi banezinyoka. I always told myself ukuthi le ndoda le bangabe nenyoka. I think mina ngizoyenza ngegazi lento. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi is it possible. I wanted to test the power of God.
Okay.
And it turns out ukuthi it is possible vele kuyenzeka and it is true.
So when you met this prophet bekathandazela abantu. So like bekanani something like itende or isonto where you guys go there.
As
Ayini konje yini ama whole night prayer. Beziqale kanjalo like those things.
Okay. I think why host imvuselelo la town.
Yeah, okay.
A lot of people know him, Moses the prophet. A lot of people bayamazi.
Okay.
Wenza imvuselelo la town
Yes.
and then nala lokishini thina sahlangana naye town.
Okay.
And then him being a prophet. So we are laughing.
Yeah.
So him being a prophet noticed that there's something about these boys.
Okay.
There's something about this boy. So he wanted to bring out that thing within us and he did. Angangeze ngimphikisi.
So okay. Because mina mfethu ngifuna ukuthi siyincenge kancane so that people understand. Right now at this stage ukuphi it's your high school stage, ne?
It's not high school.
After matric.
Yeah.
Okay, after matric. Okay, sharp. So uqedile ngendaba zokurap. Awusarap manje so church.
I do rap, yes. Net as produce.
Ne? Okay. Awuqhubeke mfethu Moses makaqhubeka
So
prophesy.
Moses prophesying.
Yes.
I noticed oh, there's something about me. I remember grade 11. I wasn't from nabo they know this one.
Yes.
Grade 11 the gifts was so crazy in such a way ukuthi bengiprofessor namanga ubani esikolweni engimbonayo. I couldn't have control of this thing.
Yes.
So the point ukuthi bangixoxe esikoleni but no lo mntwana lo unamademon.
Hey, yes.
Because
they didn't understand what was happening.
And the plus into ebuhlungu ukuthi ukhipha the deeper things about people. It's not just you saying ukuthi akuzokwenzeka so ukhipha the real details. So umuntu bekumthusa ukuthi how can you be so accurate wena unani lekwenza so.
Yeah, and then leso sikhathi you are in a school uniform.
Exactly. But no. This guy is dangerous akaphuma iskill.
Yeah.
Nombuzo.
Yes.
Manje according to that process bebangacabanga ukuthi mhlambe wena usuyi Illuminati or something.
Thank you plus back to me ndaba zama satanist.
Yes.
Shots I now la devil worship akhona. Plus our church was known as lento le ukuthi bathini sima satanist.
Kuphi lapha ka Moses?
Yes.
Okay.
We were known as that. But hayi laba ma satanist ayikho into senguthi ukufika kwe prophet akekho umuntu beyakhona ukwenza lento le. So abantu into mabaqala ukuyibona banga understand. They tend to criticize it.
Manje wena boyile Illuminati noma bongasini.
The word Illuminati is something else or the organization itself. So angazi le idinga another podcast. Yeah. Ufuna ukuthi uyinikeze space size sisodwa siphefumulele. Because ngathi ngiyakusabalalisela so manje I'm on my 33rd degree of illumination njengoba ngihlelela kanje ngisho. Exactly. So enlightenment is something else. So that's why they call themselves the Illuminati. It's just that bona they have secret schools whereby they are initiated just like me and you to be better people emhlabeni. Since we are artists, angisho.
So you are saying Illuminati is an organization that teaches these people how to be better people than us.
Yeah, those are secret schools actually, singasho kanjalo. Not
Yeah.
just organizations but secret schools. Izinto zase Europe.
Yo, okay.
So thina ngapha makuthiwa Illuminati, funa ungena esintwini uthwasiswe ucede. Then you are enlightened, you are illuminated unako lokukhanya ke ngaphakathi ku.
Okay. Oh, okay.
So-
Yabona manje seningilahlile.
So
Angifuni
according to
uqamba
the
manga.
process uba yili Illuminati noma kwenzakalani kahle?
Wona ufuna ukudevelopshipa phakathi kule nto. That's why ngithi idinga ipodcast yayiyo.
And then nabe ngithi useza nayo awuthiyapha.
Yeah.
Buka ke manje so Moses uya prophesy elokushini bathini no those people are devil satanists
Bayenza njani into eso?
yes how does a boy in a school uniform prophesy and tell me my darkest secret
Exactly.
Yes.
Tusabo medium nento kwathwana akahlale phansi umfana.
Sure.
Ngeke azalunge lo. Ayiwenza baba ngilwisa. Ey! Uyahlanya yini?
Yes.
Sovuka amademon.
Sure.
They didn't understand back then kwenzakaleni. And for the calling yami kuze phakame kangaka, it took my parents ukuthi bake bashone kancane. They were taken away from me. That's when ngazi understand kahle ukuthi okay. Nayi ke calling yami manje sebhekene nami ngqo akasekho ngilawulayo. Antsho because
Yeah.
bona bebalana lento engiya ngisho.
okay
Then uNkulunkulu became a friend to me ngihlale ngisho ekhaya bangibiza Theophilus ngegama lami lesilungu,
yes
which actually means a friend of God. I
okay
became a friend of God.
Sure.
Hlangana nomdala saba into eyi-1.
what happened sure bazali sobaluzile manje
Exactly. Izinto ziyenzeka, ilife ngiyayibona, God is pushing me.
Yes.
Esontweni siyazenza izinto. One curious thing behlala ngishaya. Ukuthi thina since sibazalwane, umuntu onamadlozi we used to think ul demon.
yes
Now
Yes.
thina maskasta out la mademoni kunento bengithola strange.
Yes.
Singamkhipha utikoloshe emntweni. Singaskipha leso silwane emntweni. Mara umuntu enodlozi uzolicast out for 1 hour 30 minutes or so lingenzi next. And benginokuba curious ukuthi igama lika Jesu lingasebenzi or yithi singanamandla.
yes
Because lento nayi ayiphumi. So leyo curiosity leyo it never stopped.
so leso
ngalo moya lo.
sikhathi besenithi nithandazela umuntu onedlozi nicabanga ukuthi hayi unamadimoni
Exactly.
yes
Ngazibuza ukuthi why la mademon lawa aspecial wona angaphumi. Only to find out ukuthi lithi iBhayibheli some demons are meant to be kept. Akusingo wonke asuswayo.
yes
So this thing whatever it is mawuyibona ngamehlo prophet idlozi liyachamuka lemnyama emntwini. Mawuyibona ngamehlo umprofeti uzobona idlozi elimnyama to you that's demonic ngandlela satrainwa ngayo.
Yeah.
Kanti not notice ukuthi yisithunywa or idlozi elingcolile. Leyo curiosity leyo yangilidela ukuthi nini ngishiftane nesonto.
Yeah.
Ngayofunisisa kahle ngesintu ukuthi kwenzakalani la esintwini. Not noticing ukuthi I'm getting closer to my calling.
So wena mawusuka esontweni awuzazi ukuthi wena uzoba
Ngubani,
ubani
exactly.
kuzokwenzakalani
Kufanele nje ukuthi there's something wrong
unesiphiwo
esonto khona lento
nedlozi.
esiyibridgeayo. Kunento
Yes.
engayi-understand between these two.
So you, okay number 1 ufuna ukungitshela ukuthi you guys had powers ukuthi siyamthandazela usiya liyaphuma idemoni manje uyaraharaha usiya semshaya hey fire uwaphasi gqi
Akusiyamanga futhi ayinamuthi. Exactly. Khani umuthi usufunde manje nje waseziyinyanga ngisho. So that's why besidonsa ngegazi nepray.
yes
Sikanga lesi siyangazi, amanzi ayangazi, ukukhuleka kuyangazi. I did my 28 days of fasting. Azange ngifike ku-40 uJesu eGlisian nawazama.
yes
So lamandla bo accumulate lapho. So izinto besizenza we beyond the supernatural realm.
so ngitshele something sorry kuba off topic kancane so if you wenza lezi zinto zokufasta nani do you see the world differently than us let's say you have gone past 20 days fasting ungadli just ushaya amanzi kuphela
It turns out to be very different because the consciousness yakhe isebenza ngenye indlela. Yes, notice amolambile ukuthi wena inhliziyo encane kanjani. You become disciplined. Askisi? You
Yes.
become very much disciplined angisho. Indlala iletha a certain order
Yes.
emzimbeni.
Okay.
Like umzimba mawuzodla consuming too much of the earth kwenza umzimba uvilaphe.
yes
That's number 1. So whenever you ngathini uzincisha izinto zomhlaba ukudla na everything yomhlaba you get to be more focused on the inner person that is within you. And slowly but surely iyarise lento zonethisa ngani ngecuriosity yakho na the kind of conversations we have more introspect.
yes
Ayashintsha awafani nankathi usuthi or usatisfied ngayo yonke into. Then that's where you get to find yourself.
ngiyakuzwa manje mfethu ngitsheleke sosukile esontweni right
Yeah.
you are going to learn about idlozi ukuthi kwenzakalani what are these demons
African
what's
spirituality
happening
bayibiza kanjalo
Yeah.
abantu. Kanti the more ngiyenzaka lento leyo
You are getting
umuntu
closer.
curious exactly
Yes.
ufuna information too much.
how did you trigger ukuthi manje uyabona ukuthi this is my calling
Alright, ngiyayenza lento ngiyafunisisa ifika kule point lokuthi why lengwenze emuva kumele ngiklahle because umkhulu kwami bengwenza back then sisabamba homsel was one thing help me ngihlanganise zonke lezi zinto ngikhona ukwenza into A1 abantu bahlangane ilento bengifuna who is God in Africa who is God ngale phesheya amandiya moshipha kanjani ama-China moshipha kanjani thina besimoshipha kanjani because thina sifocuse more on the other side rather than us. So I started paying attention to these things esizenza la Africa only to find out ukuthi azikho different from the Bible. It's just that abantu balahle isinto.
Oh shit
yabo
yes
okay topic yangelinye ilanga but ngizoyilula kangaka lithi uthi uNkulunkulu makafika kuMoses uthi I am the God of Abraham, Isaac and Jacob, right?
Yes.
So thina why makufika uNkulunkulu kaSoko uMahlangu noSibanyoni umdinayi because our ancestors knew the God.
And phela bo Abraham nabo Moses nani ma ancestor nabo bafile.
Ngiyabonga.
Yes.
And Abraham was the first one to be blessed. Kwathiwa lesibusiso sakho lesi will take from you sobusisa sonke isizukulwane sakho.
Yes.
Nathi okhokho omkhulu bethu abahlangana noNkulunkulu baphiwa which is why ngithola ukunyanga today. Kwakuyinto ehamba nabo khokho omkhulu bami. Kwathiwa nina nyobabelaphi nenza sona so. By who? Yizulu elabapha lezi zipha sizabo. But bona basasela nyamini they operated under this gift. So curiosity yami ngithatha ngilahlela la.
So mababa apha bona this gift they are passing it down until when?
Exactly. Which is the same thing yenzeke eBhayibhelini mangalifunda ulicede. It's all generational ngesipho esi1.
Yes.
Ifamily nefamily yabusiswa. Curiosity yami yangenza ngaze ngasigcina bathi idlozile imosha impilo, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Lekela imosha impilo. I went to Joburg ngiyosebenza but ngabona ukuthi hey man izinto zamazendliki ngalendlela engifisa ukuthi zenzeke ngayo. What is wrong? Curiosity athini thola umuntu oyihila someone who can see things. Mhlawumbe uzokuphendula because wena ucabanga ukuthi uyamazi uNkulunkulu but angeke uzukwazi konke.
Yes, ngeke.
I consulted my big brother. I didn't know anyone oyinyanga. Bafo, I have a problem so and so. I think naye wabona ukuthi no this is serious angangifuna inyanga.
Yebo.
Wanginikeza inamba. Ngafuna. Ngamthola loyo muntu. Ngiyakhumbula kusekahle home. I went to lo mama lona wangihlolela. Wani mangena there was one thing angibuza yona. Uphila kanjani wena so? Ngaba curious ngokuthi uthini.
Yes.
Wawashaya amathamba akhe. Aphuma amathamba kuthiwa wena uhamba nengwenyama phela. Angididekile mina ngikwazi lokho.
Yeah, yini ngwenyama.
Exactly. Sika explain ukuthi no. Kulineage yakini. There were people who were gifted so and so and so.
Okay.
And lento le seyifika yabamba wena.
Yes.
Yonke leminyaka ngokuhamba kwenza izinto zamasonto and stuff boy maintainile lento le it's fine. But sekudingeka the other side la uzolapha khona your generational blessings. That's when I knew ukuthi ngine-calling. I was taken to a certain cleansing. Ngayenza. From there onwards, bongikhona ngibuze ngamagele. I started noticing Mkhulu. But I didn't know who he was back then. But I knew this guy ofika kimi ngilele ebusuku ngifundise certain things. I think apply look na look so that I can do so and so. And I did. For 3 years.
Yes, ngibekisele. Let's give people a picture.
Okay.
Makafika kimi athi ngihlanganise izinto usho ini na.
Usone ngithulele ebusuku kuthiwa mfana. Mangathatha obuhlalo obu black and white obuhlanganise or umthwala abhlanganisa kufaka bekudepend. Athi nako gcoka nako amandla sona uzinye izinto asikhulumeke kuzongixolela izinto ezokwenzela sona so benginokwenza lokho and into engichazayo it's the manifestation. Mangivuka kusasa I can say the results ukuthi okay something is different ngalento engiyenza izolo umuthi.
Yes.
I was always taught in dreams hamba ufuna into esona so maybe bathamba ufuna isibhaga ufike uphalaze ngaso. Then mase ngiphalaze ngaso certain information futhi will be delivered to me like bekuyi process for 2 years ngibalekela ukuthwasa ngazo ukuthi bele ngiyothwasa because bengenzani I was self initiated khona abantu abazibiza kanjalo. Yes kuthi mase kufika lesikhathi ukuthi now I need to heal all my generation and all my ancestors lawa amnyama kwamele nyongene ephehlweni. So wazi kanjani ufuna ephehlweni i question esinokuyibuza.
Yebo wazi kanjani.
Abanye bayaphupha abanye bayaboniswa lana sinabantu abayi3. There are people who hear, there are people who see.
Yes.
Mina in most cases I may hear ngisimuntu nama visions angeke ngithi ngihlela ukubhoboka isithombe but ivoice engikhulumisayo. So in most cases the curiosity yami exactly.
Yes.
I-curiosity yami yangibuza ukuthi okay manje senza kanjani uthi okay athi siphahle sibuza ngisho ngiba bafuna ukuthi ngiyokwenza lo msebenzi then who can assist me kulento le. I went ngaphahla kwathiwa lo owakutshela ukuthi unani. She's the one ongakhona ukuthi akulekelele ukuthi ukhule kulento. And that's when I went to initiation.
So that is your gobela.
Yes, practically.
Yes.
That is my gobela. And then I went consulted her. owamugobela wangichaza ngento eyi1 azange ngathi ya ngakutshela what bizwe thwasa what I need to consult and check ukuthi u ready na
yebo
before I can take you in. Wangihlalisa I think 3 weeks angangiphendulanga. After 3 weeks wangitshela ukuthi it's fine ungangena epatient but itemper yakhe izokwenza usheshe uphume la. Ngamanye amazwi angeke uzulast ephehlweni mina ngale tempo nayo.
yebo
So kusho ukuthi ngiyaqualify ukuthwasa but itemper yami izongibulalisa.
it's not the one
Exactly.
Yebo.
So thina bayashekela abamane bakwamukele nje ukuthi hayi ngoba uthi wena unedlozi you go there.
So umtshele because recently we can see ukuthi there are a lot of people umfethu abathi banedlozi mawuthi uyahamba ndoda ugibela itaxi hey ama-2K wonke ndoda athoyele ndoda amashalo ngapha nangapha uyayibo so vele ukuthwala nje it's like the new thing bro you understand
but the honest thing la
Yeah.
I love explaining things in biblical terms.
yes
Yabo in terms of ukuthi abantu iBhayibheli phela kwanceda abayijwayela bayaziyo.
Mhm.
So mawulifunda kuJoel lithi during my last days I will pour out my spirit upon every flesh.
yeah
Lithi your sons and daughters will prophesy, your elders will dream dreams. Ngikhona ukukhotha kahle lebese ngilazi ukuthi likupha ngwazi ma chapter
Yeah.
but it's somewhere in Joel. So sikule age whereby the spirit of God is poured upon every flesh. Yonke into eyinyama ithelele lamandla.
yeah
iBhayibheli mawulifunda emuva kwe Old Testament there were only limited people abakhona ukuthi bangene ebukhoneni kaNkulunkulu, right? But kuthe mase kubuya umbuso kaJesu we were all allowed ebukhoneni kaNkulunkulu izono zethu zahlanjululwa so kusho ukuthi wonke umuntu wawamukela amandla kaMoya oNgcwele depending ukuthi wafuna or not. But umoya usabalalisiwe.
yeah
So thina sekule phase whereby the spirit is poured upon every flesh. So sonke lo moya sinawo. The thing is abantu bathi mabawuthola lo moya bawuthathe ngathi umoya wokulapha or umoya wobunyanga.
yeah
Kanti ubunyanga buza nesiphiwo. Ukuthwasa singakwenza sonke.
yeah
Into engihlale ngitshela abantu initiation ngendlela engithwase ngayo mina sonke singakwenza.
nami usho ukuthi nje ngahamba ngiyongena ngithwase
Exactly. Uthwasele lento yenza la manje njengoba sihlele unginterviewer so just
ngithwasele
ube ne-enlightenment ukuthi how can you even do more.
how can I
Mama
do
manipulate
better?
ama-laws of physics ngale komoya.
yebo ngibabamba njani
Exactly.
ngono bajola
So in most cases bantu bayafika bamtshela ukuthi okay now lo moya uvulekile because mawushaya amathamba bazokutshela ukuthi nawo umoya uvulekile vele.
yebo
Bathini bona bathi hayi wena unesiphiwo wena. Uthi mawucheck amathamba athi kunendawo la. Not notice ukuthi alifuna ekuthwasele just lize nomcebo.
Yes.
Bathi hayi lona afuna ngena yothwasa. Not notice ukuthi no unalo moya la ngaphakathi and operator kuwe and utheliwe. Uzomfaka ephehlweni umuntu. Umthwasisi obvious mawuse ephehlweni kunomuthi bazokufundisa umuthi bakhiphe nomuthi ongana gift yokusebenzisa.
yes
Because ukulapha umuntu akusiwo umuthi olapha umuntu. I-gift elapha umuntu.
igift ukuthi ngibone ukuthi yini e-wrong ngawe
Exactly. So abanye abantu that's why izangoma zamanje nithi zi-weak. Thwase abantu aba-wrong abangazona izinyanga but bekumele balapheke ngokomoya.
so bathwasa njani mfe like usho ukuthi bogobela babo bayabavumela ukuthi bathwase even though babona ukuthi there's no gift here
Well, ngingathini?
kufuna
We
imali
live in the world of business. Yes, a lot of people banjalo abanaqiniso. We live in the world of
Kufuneka
business.
imali.
And abagobela they have a reputation. The more I have amathwasa is the more strong angibonakala.
so it really doesn't mean ukuthi unamathwasa nayingakhi
It doesn't have to be amathwasa nayingaki.
so sibona njani ke mfethu ukuthi no lokobela lona is the one uyaspana uyo umuntu ogrand because almost everyone uyathwasisa right now
And we can't say
Yeah, I understand.
ugobelo right ugobelo wrong because kuzo lazi iqiniso kule confusion esiphila kuyo.
Yep.
So it depends ukuthi wena unceleni la uphume khona.
so I need to figure it out myself kahle
Ukuthi
kahle
lokobela lona uyiqiniso but emoyeni ngihlale ngisho emoyeni siyazwana.
yebo
Nginalento ukuthi bathe uyasinda uyasabela. Ayingiziboni kimi but umunye umuntu uzokufila.
yebo
So emoyeni siyazwana sometimes umuntu ontengentenge umuntu oweak uyambona ukuthi bhatata lo.
Asangishayela lapha amathamba,
Yeah, asabhizi
ngiyabona
uyabona
ukuthi,
nje ukuthi
hayi.
hayi session yakho uyabona nje ukuthi la.
ngivuma nento engekho ngithi hayi
Exactly.
ngiyafuna
Antsho vele bayakuvumisa.
Eh.
One thing abathanda ukuyenza ke mongena endumbeni. Khulume faster siyavuma uzweni. And in most cases nimvuma ningazwanga.
siyavuma maye awuthami ngitshele there are these people lesinokubathola emadrobheni indoda bandlale phasi izinto zabo babekile imithi lapha imbizi in uthi yandlula abakubiza bathi mfethu oza ngapha wena kathi unesiphiwo lana lalela la ngena la motweni bakukhothise ngakutshela uyithole sokhokha ama 200 ubhadara lapha labo bantu labo ngitshele are they also real gobelers or kwenzakalani
No, you scam. Inyanga operate endumbeni. Inyanga operate endumbeni. Isejara.
Yes.
Because indumba yami i-surgery yami. Antsho uya doctors.
Yeah.
I-surgery yami indumba yami. So mase ngizophuma ngisabalale lapha estradini sengihlose ini. Idlozi lami li-operate estradini or ladalela ukuthi li-operate endumbeni.
So alikho idlozi kahle operator lapha estradini.
Angikhulumeli
Nokusho ukuthi mhlambe
omunye
le dlozi leli belihasila we understand.
Safuna ukusho njalo.
It's a hustler dlozi.
Angeke ngikhulumele nje omunye umuntu
Yayibona.
amadlozi ethu awadalwa ngokufana
Yes.
operate kufana ngibone ngama ngithwasa
Yes.
ukuthi kunezinto bebasikhuluma ngamadlozi but bangizibuka mina hayi it's the total opposite ngakimi. So
Yeah.
amadlozi ethu awafani maybe lakhe lemfuno estradini.
Sure. So ngitsheleke awuthiyami kunabantu abathwasa emanzini. Siyezwa ukuthi lona wahamba wayongena emanzini emfuleni wahlala 30 days or ini. Angazi phela abantu bayakhuluma yathami. Omunye wathwasa kuphi wena ngitshele awuthiyami abanye bathi yini namagama ngisho. Ngithe the last time I was behind the scenes ba interview omunye wathi yena kwavela inkanyezi kwathiwa uzoba inkanyezi you understand inangijaneni yakhe wena ke njoba yini le yayishesha you understand ukuze kuthiwe wena umkhulu Mashesha
Yabona masicala lo show
Yeah.
ngibuza into ekwani ukuthi how did I become uMashesha?
yebo
Mina mangene emphefweni
ngifuna ukuthi ungunderstandise ukuthi no kwakuvela into eso you understand kwakuvela into eso
Okay.
igama lakho
ukuze kube kuthi uMashesha
lize kanjani yes
So mina nawo masikhuluma ngithizeni igift negift iqhamuka from your ancestors angisho.
Yes.
Abraham, Isaac no Jacob.
yes
When we talk about Mashesha, it's not me at all.
oh it's a different person
Ngukhokho omkhulu lengikhuluma ngaye la. Yindoda eyayigedla lena. Yindoda eyayelapha le yayiphile ekhaya.
oh now this guy spirit sakhe sibuye through you through your body
Exactly. So njengoba ngisho ukuthi thina mongene ephehlweni kunento ababiza ukugajeka. Abantu abayazi bayazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani.
Yini
Ukugajeka is a process whereby bakhuphula idlozi ukuthi lizikhulumele lizichaze lo.
Ukuthi wena ubani.
Then asilibone ukuthi likhona na ukugajeka is another thing eprove ukuthi unalo yini idlozi because mawunganalo uzongena lapho uzophuma still lingavukanga nokuvuka.
oh
So mawugajekwa
Okay.
ngihlale ngisho ngathi mangisho lento ngasho ukuthi ifana na ku Black Panther mababagciba ngomhlabathi la
yeah
anokhe outside engali.
Yes.
Exactly. Into efana naloko ukugajeka.
Angiyithandi.
Uyanguma kuye emalwandle. 90% of your consciousness is gone. I think you are only allowed 10%. You can only see certain details because I still can't even remember lento bebangenza na that day. Makuthiwa bayangajeka bakhipha idlozi. Ngikhumbula ekseni when I woke up and everybody was like Mashesha because azange ngene ephehlweni uMashesha. Ngene nguNhlanhla.
wo ende wena mawungena uNhlanhla nanguMashesha sovukile uNhlanhla is no longer there ukuphi ke wena at that time
Exactly. You totally lose i-consciousness yalento leyo.
kuba ngathi wena ufile
Ngingasho njalo. Bengakaze ngafeinta before ngasho ukuthi mabe bafeintile uzizwa so hayi bekufana nomuntu ofile.
yeah
Exactly. Lapho uma lelo dlozi lakhuluma.
so uyagida kwenziwa yonke into
And
that time when ulela
bangishutha.
yes
Yabo, that's one powerful thing. Mangizibuka lapha yabona lapho uma lazi igidela lazenzela everything lasichaza ukuthi lingibani lizele ini. Yabo, lizele ini because lifikile fana nalo lizokwenzani la emhlabeni. So washo ukuthi mina ngenyanga mina ngigedla lasebukhosini.
yes
Yabo, indoda yayilapha amakhosi le. Exactly. Yaziveza kanjalo. That's why you ukuthi okay who is Mashesha.
so yena makabuya lana emhlabeni is he here for a certain period of time or ukhona nawe until nawe uzohambela emhlabeni
Mangiphuma la emhlabeni ngihlukane nenyama konke okungaphakathi kimi kuzohlukana nami. But uMashesha akasiwa mayi1. Nayiphinda into ebenkinga. Lonke igazi engihamba nalo mina lithwele lento le. It's just that umuntu echoose ukumsebenzisa imelaphise nangu.
okay enye into engibuye ngingayiunderstand engeke ngayibuza before ukuthi njengoba songichazele ukuthi uMashesha it's one of your elders abake baphila before indoda ebeyihamba ilapha abantu amakhosi you understand inyanga enkulu so right now into engingayiunderstand ukuthi okay fine uMashesha uvukile kuwe you understand
Yes.
njengoba uvukile kuwe let's say when you die now uNhlanhla siphi spirit sanhlanhla senzani spirit sanhlanhla is it idlozi nalo na or kanjani
iwumbuzo wakho umnandi.
yes
So when I entered here ngithi uMashesha idlozi elinye ngihamba nalo.
yes
there is another one futhi ngina2 yamakhehla mina ngihamba nawo
Yes.
Mashesha the other one angithanda ukukhuluma ngalo
Yes.
and then there's me on the process
Yes.
mina ngathi
Ni 3 kahle kahle.
yeah si3 si team
In one board.
ukuze mina mangisephehlweni kwakuyobulawa uNhlanhla ngihlale ngisho ukuthi uNhlanhla died samngcwaba uNhlanhla a long time ago kwathi makufa uNhlanhla mhlazana ngenza isinto sesprofeto ngidlule eprofiteni kwabuya indoda kuthiwa uqhawe iqhawe lenqoba izitha that's how I was named now why ngi-acceptile le gift ngahlambulula amadlozi asekhaya bavela boMashesha and the others kwabese mina ngiba yi-light elbetter la mhlabeni antsho ngimuphilayo I became the light yes I became the light kwathiwa no lona seyiqhawe lethu leli so makungathiwa manje mina ngiyashona obviously ngiyoba lidlozi loyo ngithwasa uyothwasa uqhawe
Oh, nice one. Hayi, ngikubambile.
ngeke sathwasa uqhawe nalawa amanye amadlozi
Azohambelana wonke.
azohlangana
since umkhulu athanda ukuviolate izinto uzokwenza sure ukuthi akayishile blessing uzofuna ukuzana kwakhe naye so uzoba nami abe noMashesha nabanye mhlawumbe abaccumulate from esidini lakibo mamako because amadlozi ayahlukana ukuthi achamka ngakuphi
Yes.
exactly
so elakho liqhamuka ngakuphi kubo mama noma kubo baba
I have both
oh
I have both
it's nice
uMashesha wakibo ma
Yes.
and then ngihlala ngisho lena ngidlali ngayo ilakibo baba straight
Okay. So awungitsheleke life changed intwana you became are you a sangoma gobela uyini uyinyanga you understand zihlukene lezi zinto inyanga isangoma ugebela I don't know ukuthi yini kuba yes
uMashesha inyanga
Mashesha inyanga
uMashesha inyanga uMashesha kumele lapho indabuko straight
okay
uqhawe might be a prophet but uMashesha inyanga
yes so uMashesha inyanga yenzani iyalapha iyaphilisa
yes
Ayibulali.
ngomuthi ohlaza
umuthi ohlaza shuthi umuthi ophuma phasi
ngiyabonga
okay ayibulali
ubona
or niyabulala still
ubona uthi ayibulali
manje
yabona ngibuza indaba yegedla
Yes.
mawuligedla that means wazi umuthi and for everything you know the good and the bad side of everything
oh yeah
so
kahle ukuthakatha what yini ukuthakatha kahle
ukuthakatha
can it be bad can it be good ukuthakatha
ukuthakatha was a way of doing things
Good or bad?
abantu ababethakatha I'm going there abantu bebethakatha ne abantu ababekhona ukumanipulate ama laws of physics that's number 1
yini ke leyo ma laws of physics ngesizulu
umthetho wendalo bebakhona ukuthi bawuphule benze lezi zinto ezingenziwa ngabantu
okay
let's say khona abogogo ngisho siyabazi labo gogo bethu uzovela athi bhanga umuntu avumbuke lapha estradini sinabantu abakhona ukwenza lokho
Yes.
ukhona ukuthakatha loyo muntu le khona ukushintsha imithetho yendalo ayigucula ukuthi ingasebenzeli yena igravity manje akakhona ukuthi imbambe phansi angandiza makafuna akusiya ama superstitions those are possible things
so ziyenzeka like
zikhona and akusiyinto embi it's a gift a certain people abanayo the problem starts when you use the gift to kill another or hurt or harm
yeah imovie ama superhero ngiyaka understand
yabo
yeah I understand for Spider-Man
with
greater power comes great responsibility
It's true.
yes
it's true so abantu abathakathayo it's not like abantu ababi
Yes.
it's how they use their thing
so when are you able to manipulate the laws of physics
ngisafuna ukusho njalo ukuthi there's a certain point la umuntu azokubasela khona uzobona ukuthi yazini lona uyangiphusha it's not like I do not know I'm not allowed to do
yes
na into ekubulalayo but abantu bazokupressa to that point ukuthi ubone ukuthi yazini let me do certain things la it's not like you can't you were taught that anyways
yes
spirituality is all about manipulating the laws of physics ubulale yonke le ndalo ikhona ukuthi isebenzele wena ngisho that's why nomuntu odinga usizo ufika nama cases nama spiritual reasons akhe lezi ezimhluphayo emoyeni mina I have to break that case lokho kuphula umthetho we physics still
so ngisheleke man when it comes to ama relationships you understand indaba zomjolo how did it affect you when you started going into lento yokuthi ube isangoma or inyanga or whatever it is that you are right now
oh wow umbuzo wakho ngeindlela yona
yeah phela
Never
we need to
perfected.
come back to real life ngiyazi ukuthi bowumrapper udla ingane shaya isinqa one time you understand so we need to know how did the ladies react
ngiyakuthola athi ushaya isinqa one time okay angeke ngize ngiphike I'll say this one yabo mina
Yeah.
there has to be a place isikhathi eside
Yes.
ngeke ngitshele ngocheri igift yami ngirealize lethu ukuthi khona amanye amadoda ngihamba nawo abantu abathanda ijeko abathanda amantombazana hayi kuphumile amajasi elokushini.
Yes.
Exactly. So lokuba iplayer kwami bengikunotice ukuthi you can simply love 5 people nje.
Yes.
And bonke banganaki nokuthi uyabadlala. That's dope. It's skill. Ngivumele.
Yes, uthiwa.
Ngivumele.
Yeah.
So that was part of my gift ngingasho.
Eh.
Ngoba ngithe mase ngicedile ngabona ukuthi okay sengithwasile fine senginyanga manje. Lento iphindi yabuya futhi but this time ibiya differently.
Yes.
Awuseyi player. You were supposed to ukuthi uthathe isithembu. We were showing ukuthi wena uyakhona ukuthi maintain 5 of them. Uyi1. So umsebenzi wakho do it in the right way.
Yes.
Exactly. So it paid. Azange ngibulale, instead it grew me.
So you went with it in the ngoma way playing there. Hey.
One way.
Sure. So ngitshele ngesithembu, is it something that you have currently or experience ayo right now, and how do you handle isithembu? Because mina by me ngusmazi ngiyazi nje ukuthi isithembu sidinga imali. Ngibonile umseleku lapho bathengele ama Mercedes bonke. You understand?
Yeah.
Bonke ndoda pa umseleku bashanga ama Mercedes aphume kiwo.
Okay.
Yeah,
Just to correct one thing, silungisele first.
Yes.
Isithembu ngisengakasithathi.
Yes.
That's number 1. But
Okay.
I am in an open relationship. So angeke ngithi ngiyacheata kule 2, but angilobolanga ngokwesintu ukuze ngithi sesithenjini sami.
Okay. Okay.
They do know each other as sisters ukuthi okay mina nozibani siphila nomuntu okanje, but angibalobolanga for ukuthi ngababiza ngabafazi bami basesithenjini. So it's just an open relationship.
Okay.
Which is training us ukuthi okay niyala, because angeke uzolobola ingulube sesakena ngisho.
Yebo. So abantu abadala ohamba nabo, they allow that because njengoba uchazile ukuthi uhamba namadoda abathandayo vele
Exactly. So it's always been the case. Ngeke baze bangideny lesi
Yeah.
simo.
So now tell me, do you iyakwenza lento yokuthi you wake up one morning umashesha, the other morning ungubani konje?
Ushoba
Yes, the other morning Mkhulu. Does it happen kanjalo naku?
Yeah, it depends. Futhi nabo banoclash ababodwa because yabo masikhuluma ngomashesha.
Yeah.
Mashesha asingasho ukuthi hayi phela kodloze likhululekile. Linaskam ukuthi manje selizokwenzela irawura likubangela idoro likuphazamise.
Yeah.
And then khona amadlozi disciplined. Athi mawafika kuwachaba basila. So it depends. Makuvuka umashesha uzozibona manje ukhuma kube umuntu wevibe yazibona. Ubayiphi. Makuvukela we discipline ubala umuntu one odd accent. So that does happen. Because mina ngiyi1 I possess these characters wonke la kimi.
Yeah.
I invent iku DNA yami bonke labantu bakhona.
Mawunhla.
Exactly.
Hayi bafethu.
So manje lo esim-interviewayo right now imubi.
Sinobani namhlanje?
You are talking to Qhawe, the talkative one.
Oqhawe. Unhlanhla kahle kahle.
Qhawe. One thing I've always said ebantwini bahlala ukuthi bakade ukuthi idlozi libenzele something.
Yes.
Kanti sometimes it's the other way around. Yabona masosela emhlabeni ikhona le saying ethi you are your ancestors wildest dream.
Yes.
I became that. Yabona amadlozi akithi ahamba asmart ane certain knowledge.
Yes.
But khona izinto abangazazi engiphila ngazo mina namuhla. So I became lighter early more than them. Hayi ngokwenza la emhlabeni khona ulazi abanganalo. When it comes to astrology they never understood these things.
Yeah.
When it comes to ama elements womhlaba they never understood these things. Bona babelapha nje but in nature bebangayi understand fully. Mina I went deep ngiyofundisisa kahle nge nature so that I can enlighten them ngalolwazi enginalo.
Yes. So mawubuya done ngentwaso yakho, so isangoma usekhaya uyasipana unendumba.
Yes.
Uconsulta malini, how do we get you, bantu bakuthola kanjani?
Okay.
We need that right now.
Silapho.
Yeah.
Ngwalabrate induma yami operator labrate 466 yabo.
Yes.
Bathi kamagesane majority nokusho kanjalo.
Yes.
466. And i-consultation is simple, it's 150.
Yes.
And sometimes kunezimo ezinokwenzeka uthola ukuthi i-consultation umuntu kumele umconsult without even cash. So it depends ukuthi kwenzakalani, but on normal basis consultation is 150, then insebenzo zihluka according to ukuthi wenzakalini.
Yes.
But njengami I'm mostly a prophet, so normally ngi-offer amabhave ebantwini.
Yes.
I offer amabhave unless amathamba amathi mthathu mix esigangeni, that's when I can do that. But
Okay.
in most cases nginensebenzo zasemabaleni, izinto zokusebenza indoors.
Okay.
Uyangithola.
Yeah, Ghost.
So I wanted to ask ngokuhlanu onabo la izandleni zakho ukuthi maybe do you have certain meanings behind them noma ubuhlalu nje just to protect you or kwenzakalani, just let us know about that part because ngiyazi ukuthi akumina ngingedwa ohleli lana
Ofusukwazi.
Oyibuza, yes.
People
Yeah,
don't
even
respect that.
entameni yabo.
Yo,
Cause mina nginokuthi vele bekumrapper 2 Chainz.
Isasekhona lentosha, I'm told. Isasekhona lentosha.
Yeah.
So, just to finish up the question ile.
Sure.
Ubuhlalo nobuhlalo bone meaning. Ngiyokutshela abantu ukuthi ubuhlalo is a healing mechanism.
Yes.
Bulapha certain things
Yes.
depending on ama spirits ohamba nabo. You can check angina 2 years phandla ngisho. So esokucala ukusho ukuthi into asoyami yobunguni la liphuzu liphalaze khona. Ngizo explain iphandla kokucala. SS2 ngangithwasela uprofit.
Yes.
So yeah. And then ubuhlalo bami there's black and white. Okusho ukuthi wabamakhosi esikhatheni esiningi bathanda ukuthi amandawo. But game will represent amakhosi. So that means I'm off royalty ngendlozi zasebukhosini. That's why ngihamba neyengwe still nendlovu. Those are part of our animals. We are off royalty, the part of the big 5 ngingasho. So lo black and white I'm simply presents amadlozi amokhosi. And then we have black.
Yes.
Lo black wami owamagedla in most cases. Kuba amagedla lawa, but igedla njengoba ngisho those are dangerous people. Amadlozana ubumnyama phakathi.
Yes.
So mawuphehla or ubiza amadlozi awagate amadlozi mosekuthwaseni ukuthi uzothi hayi ngenzeni ubiza wonke amadlozi nalamabuzo wabiza uwadunge wenze ngathi usesayidini lawo because there are certain things abazokusiza kuzo in which laba abahle bangakhona ukuzenza. Those are the black beats. Ngibe no super red bathi amanguni ya nalegama umnguni.
Yes.
Since singabantu base Africa thina we are blacks.
Yes.
There abokhokho omkhulu bethu bafele impini njengomkhulu wayegichawe elapha ini amadoda abiyempini that's why wayesebenzele ebukhosini warriors bekawalapha so leli representa lelo gazi la madoda lawo. The black and white imixture yamanguni. We are making peace ngingasho because njoba bashone ngesilungu so obvious abantu abanolaka labakhona khona. So ngoba sengibalaphile there's peace within them nalo white kanjalo. The blue law in most people just light blue bazokutshela ukuthi ayidlozi lamanzi and stuff.
Yes.
But see, to me I work with amadlozi and the heavenly realms. So mase siqala singena la kulo blue those are my prophetic amabits amila prophetic achaza isipropheto sami. This one sibiza ngengelo yesicrystal ye bedside sorry le.
Okay.
So elaborate lokho semsebenzi futhi but it's my angel ye bedside. And then the yellow simply means I'm a prophet in graduating ngaqeda lo prophecy bami. And then we have the crystal ones. In most cases abantu bathi awamanzi. But to me ingelozi yami crystal le. Yabo, exactly. So mawufunda iBhayibheli uzoz understand lezi zinto lezi njengale bedside uzoyithola ku John chapter 5 if I'm not mistaken.
So these things they are not far away from iBhayibheli. It's just that the information ebesinayo ezabantu basithi masibona abantu abakanje sithi amademoni ebuthakathi bro yeah ne
Kume ngeindlela which is why abazalwane bahlupheka today.
so ngitshele like how was the feedback mawubuya mfethu like masubuya uso elokishini nje bantu your friends your girlfriends did they accept you ukuthi oh yeah was oh yeah yabo bantu baba different bomakhelwane sebacala bapopore ukuthi angekho ngaphandle yini before baphuma
bakhona labo
sure
khona labo ukuthi sebakushayela khona abantu bayakusaba man moyinyanga man
yeah
abantu bayakusaba but in most cases ke bathi ngesizulu bathi inkunzi sematholeni mina bambala abantu abazothi ba surprised ukuthi ngiyinyanga.
Okay.
Yabo because dala ngayicala lento ngiyenza nedumehluko manje ukuthi sengiqualified ukuthi ngingayenza. So a lot of people are not shocked. Some of them are shocked ukuthi wow we actually did it. And then abanye banokusaba yabona lokho abantu banokusaba moyinyanga. They are stereotypical towards inyanga abantu I don't know baxa ukuthi sikhona ukwenzani mara labaxa ukuthi sifuna ukwenza siyakwenza vele. But nje
so now uyakhona ukuthi ubone umuntu if ugifted unedlozi and uyakhona ukuthi umthwasise futhi umfake through the process aphume sekalapha
operation
ayinyanga
clean futhi.
So uke wakwenza something like that before?
No, I'm still fresh from the box. I'm like a brand new baby njoba ngihlelela. Yabo njoba ngifakele ndandathu bayazi ke lapha. Abasitwase nabo. Chaza ukuthi use fresh.
Oh, okay.
So I haven't embarked on that.
Oh, okay.
So lokho kula siphongweni kuwe kuchaza ukuthini? Chaza ukuthi you are a newborn. Phelele la.
Like he graduates.
Yeah, oh yeah, I'm a graduate.
Sengicedile
ukuyenza lento. Ucedile lona ukuyenza lento. Lezi zinto lezo amani usithole by the way. Mabakhuluma ngemfihlo zakho. Yizi izinto ozofihlela zona. Yile ndandathu lena kube yilokhusi la lenyongo la ikhanda.
Yes.
And then kuba nalento esiyibiza ngejazi lokungathi vest lokho esikhumba kwembuzi lokho.
Yes.
Exactly. And then kuba ama-wash lamathambo that they normally put here.
Yes.
Lezi zinto lezo uyafihlelwa zona awumani uzithola. So ukuze siprove ukuthi wena uyinyanga and ushona unyanga bakhe idlozi lakho liyasebenza. Ugobela wakho uyakufihlela lezi zinto lezi. Uzozifuna wena ngama-instincts akho nedlozi lakho.
So kwenzakalani wena kuwe kwenzakalani? Do you have a vision yokuthi uyayibona ukuthi lento ekuphi then you go there?
Hey Skoko. Yabona ngisho phela kwento trick ngokuthwasa.
Oh yeah, I understand because I was seeing at that time. Awukhulu ubona le.
Here's one thing, nginyimi.
Yes.
Nginyimi. Yabona idlozi masolijwayele.
Yeah.
Niba 50-50. Kuba nguwe kube ngilo.
Yes.
Ngiyabona liyabona. Nedwe
Yes.
bekufundisa ukuthi usebenze nalo.
Okay.
Kuphela. So yazindaba yemfihlo le yehlala phela konke yehlala ngishaya ekuthwaseni. Plus mina ngihlale i6 months yonke.
Yes.
Ngingenzi next ngingadlanga ntwaso ngenza anything. Kwathi mase kumele ngibiye ekhaya ngale weekend. Ngakhalela inkane ebusuku, ngavuka ngafihla imfihlo ngafuna imfihlo zami ekseni, ngabo ma 3 ntambama, ngabe ngibele transport ngizalabrate. Azange nginikeze isikhathi ukuthi ngizipracticele kahle or ngibe nesikhathi sokuyitrainer lento. So kwenzakalani? Ngangithi mina bazokunikeza imfihlo zakho. Yabo gobela uzofika kuhlebele lapha. Athi siyanda. Yabona ithambo ngizolifihla la. Lokho ngizokufihla la. Ayisinjalo. I don't know kwabanye but ayisinjalo ngicabanga enjalo.
Yes.
One thing they did, bazogcobisa inyonga yembuzi la, bagcobisa inyonga yembuzi la, bagcobisa yona la. Bakutshela ukusebenzisa ama instincts akho. Kwazi idlozi after lokho. So it's 50-50 ngwena lo niyasebenzisana. Ukusho ukuthi lona lizokutshela but the problem uwe. Because lento njengakimi ifika as a thought, njengoba ngisakutshela. It comes as a thought or a voice.
Yes.
Ngizokwenza example ngalento le because that was the first thing engayithola. Ngangistressed ukuthi okay, how do you get this? Nabantu engithwasenabo mangibabuza, haba fethi mathip nyana bathi themba ama instincts wakho.
Yeah.
So when I went there ngalikhwaza idlozi, gobela wami ngathi ngiyafika ngiyamchazela ngiyamvusela wathi ngifuna ukuvusela lokho kufunani. Sengiyafika lapho ngithi gogo ngifihlela izinto athi gogo sikufihlele ini. I have to know ukuthi indaba ayifihlile. Number 1 angazi ukuthi indlo yokucala abayifihlile.
Yes.
In my mind it's like indandatho yakho. I'm like ungifihlele indandatho yami. She's like yes, ifihlo ubani. I'm like usisi omdala. She was like no, wrong. Ayifihla ngosisi omdala cala phansi ubukisise kahle. You have to search inside your spirit kuze usithole lezi zinto lezi. Umoya wakho labo testa khona ukuthi active kangakanani na. So they give you a chance
to
ukuthi
basically idlozi lakho spiritually liyagijima libuke lezi zinto and come back and tell you ukuthi into so
because immediately ngithola lento
maye makwenzeka ukuthi ayitholakali
angazi nayi lento ngangisaba my worst fear yo nayi lento ngangisaba and wesi mina njengamngabhayiziseka
yes
ukuthi yathi mayivele yathi isendumbeni now lokuthi iphakathi noma ingaphandle angikwazi that's up to me but idlozi lishilo lathi isendumbeni. So mangifika lapha ngaphandle I have to know ukuthi okay bayibeke phakathi or ngaphandle. Mangifika lapha lithi idlozi no ayikho phakathi imali ngaphandle uyibuke. Yes lithi ayikho ngaphakathi sele ngitshelile so mina sekumele ngilekelele ngibuke ukuthi kuphi angisho ngiyibona amehlo.
Yebo.
And then ngabo mangithi baba nali ikhamba lathi exactly I think ilapha shona khona uyocheck vele mangifaka isandla I saw the thing. Yabo. So instinct yakhe lekusebenzelayo la lezi zinto lezi uyazifela ubunyanga bakho zetrainer lapho ukuthi okay can you see na?
So ngicela ukubuza because nginokubona andisho thina sihlala emalokishini. Siyababona abantu bayathwasa, siyababona bagcine sebasebenza konke lokho. So ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi kulaba esigcine sibabone emalokishini wethu abane amantshwele lana noma inkukhu la ekhanda le efaswa njengenyongo something.
Yes.
Kube ngathi ugcoka isigcoko kusuke kwenzakalani?
Hayi mantshwele neinkukhu na.
Hayi. No comment. Hayi no comment.
Wow, ushinyongo lomjiji.
Hayi man, let's think about this. No, uyibalile inyongo esayidini. Yathi ukhuluma ngenkukhu inkukhu.
Ayithwalayo ke.
Ayilabona.
Njengenjwele so ngiyakutshela.
Akaze ngiyibone la.
Kukhona la?
Lapha.
Marasela break nalo. Bakhe asikho lapha.
Lawo zonke ngiyakutshela.
Asikho lapho. Yazi kanjani? Khona ngokubona abantu abafaka izandla zeimfene lana. Amadlozi awafana I don't know ngihlale ngisho indlela ethwasa ngayo is very much more different.
Khona nabo bathi siyamshutha lapha estradini wakhipha inyawo lembuzi.
Yayibona-ke so abantu banezinto zingafani abanye bazokuphathela isandla semfene abanye bakuphathele angazi ukuthi izani lezi zinto because mina ngitrainwanga lapha
awutrainwanga ngalezo
Angifiki
zinto
lapho.
yes
Uyabo indaba ngileyo
so wena namanzi you are not connected ukuthi mhlambe your gift semanzini unenyoka that you see through your dreams wara I was talking ngendaba yamanzi ukuthi wena with water you are not related in anyhow
as a prophet you can operate ngaphandle kwamanzi
yeah a prophet or isangoma everything
well amanzi is source of life 95% of this world is covered by water and imfihlo enkulu yobunyanga isemalwandle
isemanzini
yes even noma siphahla nje uthi asho ukuthi sibabize emalwandle noma sehla sibangoni sithi sihlehlela emalwandle
yes
so I cannot operate without amanzi
yazi there's this guy trending right now bathi yini indlondlo yamanzi uhamba ngene emanzini uyayibona mos angene lapha yana aphuma angena aphuma so ngitshele what's different kuye naye yabo what's the difference
mhlambe na uyi artist ehamba yoshoot emanzini and then isipostele ku Facebook yabo
ukuthi awubelieve
okay yeah
yabona siya if mina mangaya emanzini manje number 1 I'm not supposed to go elanga liphumile
yes
akumele ngithola amehla abantu kwaleyo phone angisondini nayo lapha
okay
so yena ngayo swima lapha mhlawumbe siye eliminate efanayo
yeah
mhlawumbe yena uyele ko swima because ngimbonile na izolo ku Facebook uyangena phakathi namanzi ku right but iqiniso lithi kube bekenza lento athi uyoyenza lapha beyangakaza afike nokufika ethenini uthatha isithombe so umehluko phakathi kwami naye I think is an artist and decide ukuthi ayoshoot and then thina abanye
for content you're doing it for the TikToks
content exactly
yes also you don't think good maybe he's involved in
abantu
some
sebayenza trend
yes
sebamthumela ko wonke the major dams
yes
angisho exactly so it's a content now asazi ke mhlawumbe bangamthola basibuzele uzosichazela but hayi
so okunye ebesifuna ukukubuza ukuthi siyezwa ukuthi as niyothwasa ne kuba nezikhali eniyitholayo wena isiphi mhlawumbe isikhali owaphumi owakhishwa naso owatholakala naso or ophiwa sona ukuthi lesi sokuvikela because abanye baphuma namakhandlela abanye baphuma nemikhonto abanye yabo so wena isiphi sakho ongathi mhlawumbe
I only have one source not me
yes
mina ngoperate ngomoya kaNkuluNkulu sikhokha
yisi isikhathi sakho
konke lokunye kuphuma lapha so umuthi nyawazi it's fine ngokokunye wazi it's fine but the source of power is God ayikho into engizothi ngiyi-idolize even umuthi wami ngu-idolize that's why ngisho ukuthi even ukulapha umuntu akusiyo umuthi it's a gift it comes with the godliness within you so angina
so that is your weapon isikhali sakho
weapon yami yinye
uNkulunkulu wakho
so
so how do you explain God what is God kahle how do you explain God
what is this thing abantu bathanda ukuthi umuntu mina ngibiza ngento because
what is this
isabalele
thing
and broad isabalele and broad inkulu umoya lo which is the source of all creation the Big Bang theory exactly umoya lona odale yonke into ekhona emhlabeni whether it's black whether it's white kwa create ayiloko yile battery elibambe lo mhlaba wonke not umhlaba the whole universe ukuthi circulate ibe nempilo
God
that's the God thing yonke into lamhlabeni ephefumulayo nengaphefumuli isastainele into le
so kahle it's a spiritual energy
it's a
that gives life
to
la
everything exactly
so to be off topic nje kancane do you believe ukuthi umhlaba round or is flat
esikoleni bebona kungenza njalo ne I always told them one thing angikhetha ama side
yes
yabona when you are on this earth on this ground level the world is flat but masibuka the ozone layer and everything that is covering the earth around so we are in a flat surface in a round ball
sayibona
invisible as much as I look manje la ngaphandle it's very much visible njengoba ubuka la ngaphandle you are on the earth and the more bheka phezulu you can tell ukuthi okay this thing is actually round shaped
amna yazi ngibonani mangimela ngaphandle ngibuka so ngibona ngathi cala le good
Exactly. The thing is straight. Flat surface is the one that does not allow you to saluya ngale ngaphasi kwalento.
So do you believe ukuthi there's this thing about thina as people here on earth siphasi kwamanzi?
Siphasi kwamanzi?
Yeah.
Asikho phasi kwawo. Wrong.
Siphezulu kwawo.
Because abaphasi kwamanzi. Yes.
Oh, abaphasi kwamanzi
they understand something deeper than us. Thina siphezulu kwawo amanzi.
Ayinezwela ke bafowethu. Okusho ukuthi igama uNhlanhla igama lokusebenza
Mkhulu
Mashesha indoda ehlala khona la eBreed. Siphinde mfethu stand number bazokwazi ukuthi
466.
Yes.
Yabo indaba elula ngishale ngishiliya kaMagesana. Mazi umfana amagesana ishayile. But kungangimama
phela kuzophuma umuntu wase Cape Town lana athi uze Breed kaMagesana. Oh, umkhombisa kasiya. Siuqhuma igesi lapha yana udla amagwinya every day. Ufees nama TV.
Sikhona la kwaZanele 466. Yela siphila khona.
Sure.
Siphila khona. Surgery yami khona.
Thank you out yami. So please into engizoyicela kuwe ukuthi next time if you have more information, don't be scared ukuthi ushare mfethu. Come through the podcast. Let's share the information with the people.
Sonke safuna ukusho njalo ukuthi yabo ku Facebook ufune njengomfana kaKokoduba.
Yes.
Mfana kaKokoduba.
WhatsApp bakuthola
it's 071 152 3466. Ngizoyiphinda futhi 071 152 3466. Ungibamba ku WhatsApp. So in most cases abantu basilanda ku Facebook ku WhatsApp bakusaba. But sikhona guys for ukuphilisa, for ukulapha, ngisengathwasisanga. But ngofuna ukulashwa sikhona. Business people ngwawena. Business people whatever that you need man. Sikhona.
Kuthi business yakho if I grand hala to this guy
udinga ama cleansing we are always there.
Hala to this guy awukho sure ukuthi ubaby daddy ubani. Hala to this guy. Danko is it's your boy Usmazi bafethu ngiyayivula it's your boy.
Hey baby daddy.
Danko is thank you.
Aliya baby daddy.